Hey beautiful, what's good? It's your girl Chris Corio here. So I just wanted to kind of come online to share this video with you right after I did my Sensual Seduction Dance workshop. It was a mini dance workshop which lasted for 1 whole hour. Now typically my classes last for about 2 hours, but I decided to start giving you guys more sensual seduction energy, and so I've started to do a sensual workshop every single month. So far I've done, well, today was the second one, so we're going to be doing another one next month in July. I have not set a date yet for a in-person class, but I am thinking I may turn one of my Whining Wednesdays in-person dance classes into a sensual seduction for women only class. Now if you're interested in this, you can drop a comment below and I will release the date as soon as you say, yeah, let's do something in person. Now if you don't live in Jamaica, don't answer nothing down below, please. This is for the women who live in Jamaica. For the persons who are virtual, I'm going to be doing another on July 26th. If you're interested, comment below. I'm posting this to YouTube, and I'll also drop it in my Instagram stories on Chris Fit Online. So if you're interested, let me know, give me a feedback. Now the Sensual Seduction Dance class, for those who do not know, it is a channel for tapping into your feminine energy, and today we explore dark feminine energy. And for persons who do not know, in feminine energy, it's energy which is exuding or expressing femininity, right? Tapping into that which makes us woman. There is dark feminine and light feminine. The light feminine energy is the one that most of us are a lot more familiar with. So that is, she's empathetic, she's kind, she's sweet, she's nurturing. Whereas somebody who is in her dark feminine, she's mysterious, she's seductive, she's powerful, she's authentic, she knows what she wants and she goes after it unapologetically. Now, the two require balance to exist, right? So it's toxic to exist only in your dark feminine energy, which many of us, not pointing any fingers, tend to be like sometimes, just this very strong, powerful. You can hear it in my voice, right? You can hear it in my energy too, right? But many of us tend to want to jump into that zone and forget to also balance it out with a bit of the light feminine energy. And so this is what I do in terms of challenging myself and my ladies as well. When you come to these classes, you can tap into the dark feminine energy if that is the theme for the class, or the light feminine energy, which will be the theme for the class. Now the first class that we had was definitely tapping into light feminine. Tonight's class, which was, today is the what? Friday the 28th of June, we tapped into our dark feminine energy, and our question was, what do I want, right? And that question was led by affirmations. I trust myself, I love myself, I idolize myself. And we went through dancing movement, which was able to help inspire the woman to remember that, hey, I'm powerful, I can do this, my arts, man, I can lead my own way, right? So the one in July, I am really inspired to do a sensual heels class. So basically with your high heels on, teaching the basics of heels, and then of course, since we're going to be doing this on a more consistent basis, we can do another round or part 2 of the sensual heels dance workshop in August, okay? And all these dates will be announced after each workshop. Now if you're interested, again, you can leave a comment below. If you are on YouTube, I will not be able to DM you, unfortunately, but you can send me an email, info at chriscorio, CHRISSCHOREO.com. all right? Or you can simply sign on to my mailing list. Go to chriscorio.com. When that pop-up comes up, you sign up, you'll get my free ebook, which is a 30-day to the Empowered Woman Workout Program. You get that free ebook. In exchange, I'm going to get your email address and I'll send you updates. That's just how it works, baby. Let's just give something, you know, to get something. Can we do that? So yeah, so you can do that. So either email me, info@chriscorio.com, send me a DM on Instagram, or you can sign up for my mailing list and you'll get updates as to when my next sensual seduction classes will be. This has June 28th marks the second month, the completion of the second month of Chris Fit Online. I know you haven't seen me coming in and saying, hey guys, I'm dropping new videos as often as probably I wanted to. One of the reasons, I will be honest with you, one of the things that I thought about was to drop probably like a little bit of an excerpt of, for example, classes that we did in May. I tried to drop a class that I recorded from Zoom the other day. I'm gonna drop a link right here, and I know there's a couple persons that had said, you know, the quality is not great. Unfortunately, when I'm live streaming, the quality is beautiful, it's sharp, it's superb. Once I get that recording, it just looks like, huh. So for the persons who complain, it has demotivated me to sharing those videos with you guys. So right now it's like, okay, I need to figure out how am I going to create content free for you guys while still managing a whole group fitness class plus my personal training clients. It's kind of challenging, right? Because you can comment below and let me know what y'all want. But I really and truly wanted to drop like little excerpts of the class so you guys could see what was happening. But Chris Fit Online is just this really super group of empowered women. I have not been advertising it a lot because I want it to grow naturally. I want it to be something that people say, you know, this is a good product, I'm gonna refer my friend. You know what I mean? So I don't want it to be, let me tell you, as a dancer, I'm out there, I celebrate, I'm like, yeah, hey, come dance with me. But then as a fitness trainer, as a personal trainer and physiotherapist, I'm a little bit more reserved because I just want persons to understand that my personal training, my physiotherapy background, it's not to be played with. It's something I take very seriously. I respect. It's not like I don't respect dancing, but it's just that I just feel like people need to understand that this is not gimmicks. This is something that I take very seriously. I can't say that. Why am I saying that so many times? But I really want it to be spread the traditional way, which is word of mouth. Personally, for me, if I don't find that it's spreading, like people are not telling their friends about it, it just simply means to me that, Chris, send out some surveys, see what's happening, see what you need to improve with this. I don't want to advertise a product that's not great. I feel that if you're going to be doing personal training is pretty much kind of like healthcare, right? You're taking care of people's health through exercise and understanding exercise programming. So if people are not moved to share with others, I just feel like, okay, maybe I just need to keep improving the product. You know what I mean? That's just how I am. So but if you are interested in joining, you can click the link, chriscorrier.com, go to that page. The home page of ChrisFit goes straight to group fitness, but you can select the drop-down list as well for group fitness. The drop-down list, I'm gonna actually just put the link here for the July. You can join us. We meet Mondays. In July, it's gonna be Thursdays. Mondays, Thursdays, and Fridays at 6 p.m. Jamaica time. Okay? Comment below if that is clear to you, because sometimes I know persons do not completely understand. I think what I said was clear, but just in case, you can comment below and let me know. But all I want to say is that the ChrisFit group family, they've been growing. What I absolutely love about it is that persons can come online and work out with me live and get live feedback. I work out with them. Most times I try my best to work out with them because it helps to motivate, to inspire. So I just don't just sit down like, and then me as a trainer, sometimes I'll fall asleep. I'll be like, okay, 1, 2, 3, no. So sometimes I'll just get up and I'm like, work out, and I come back and say, yes, very nice. And I go back out and you know what I mean? So I really do enjoy it. ChrisFit Online, it's a movement that I really do want to continue to grow. Who knows, we may even go into doing retreats. You know what I mean? The whole ChrisFit retreats where we incorporate everything from the fitness to the dancing and everything. So if you want to be a part of that, you want to join on from now, because it's a very small community of us right now. And like I said, I'm not doing no heavy advertisement because I want it to grow organically. I want it to just grow like, did you hear about this? Did you hear about this? You should join us. It's like a secret cult for women, empowered women who want to be fit and sexy, have that secret You know what I mean? Like, we go to carnival together, we do this together, we just have fun, right? So yeah, what else can I tell you? The last time I was on here, I was bawling my eyes out because I didn't know what to do with my hair, and then I had a scar. The scar is still there for those who are wondering. A wonderful friend of mine, client, become wonderful friend, recommended mandelic acid. And well, I have makeup over it right now. What I read about mandelic acid is that it takes a time. It will slowly penetrate into the area in order to allow for turnover of the skin. So it's like a gentle chemical peel for your face, not just for your face, but for your skin. And I think it's not. It hasn't. To be honest with you, it hasn't been like a month yet, so I can't even say it's working. But I've been using it just on my forehead. I have very sensitive skin. Like the other day, I put like something here. I don't know. I think it was toner. I put toner on my face and I did it underneath here as well. But this was after like doing some harsh exfoliation, and all of under here had got irritated. This was not the mandelic acid. This was something else. This was a toner. I know toners tend to have like a undertone of like a acidic thing. Yeah. How did we reach talking about skin? Oh right, I was telling you the last time I was on here, I was like bawling my eyes out because I was depressed about my hair. Well, now I'm trying braids again. My hair is still very short. The back of them, all of them kind of dropped out because they were so short. My braidist was like, Chris, I don't know if I can catch these in, but I'm gonna try my best. She tried her best. That woman tried her best. Big up yourself, Janice on Princeville. But the back line, they all dropped out. And I was just like, oh Jesus, oh Lord, okay, well she tried her best. So now, you see me wearing my hair done all the time. It's not because, you know, it's just, I'm just trying to hide the fact that my hair dropped out at the back. So I'm doing much better now. For persons who were encouraging me the last time, like, hey Chrissy, you're okay, baby girl, you're gonna be okay. I needed that, guys. Sometimes we all, you know, we tap into this I'm so all powerful, and this video gone at 12 minutes already, and I don't even care because y'all are listening, y'all are loving me, and I'm loving you right back. But sometimes we tap into this powerful energy of, oh, I can do everything myself, and we forget to surrender to the fact that no, you can't do everything yourself. Like today, my partner simply held a can of sausage while I was driving, and it's like in me, I was just like, wow, that feels so different. And then in my mind, I was also kind of gently cursing myself, Chrissy, yeah, because you need to allow people to help you. This is a weakness of mine. I think it's a weakness for a lot of people. Comment below and let me know. I don't even feel guilty about it. I just being completely honest. You know what I mean? But yeah, so I'm doing better right now. You know, everybody will have their ups and downs, and I just have to keep reminding myself that, you know, as my beautiful friend Chrissy would say, you know, just keep walking in yourself, walking in your journey, just being true to yourself. You know, whatever is said to me, I try to share it with you guys, whether it is in YouTube posts or this Instagram. Guys, follow me on Instagram, Chris Choreo. By the way, you know that my page, Chris Choreo, has been shadow banned? Oh my God. On Instagram, it's been shadow banned. Oh God, Jesus. But the fantastic thing about it is that even though it's shadow banned, it's the craziest thing that my followers have been sharing my videos like crazy. So like one of my last walk reels, it got like 700 and something thousand, and I'm going to share the link to that walk reel right here so that y'all can see. Like when I saw it, I was like, God damn, like my followers are really going hard for me. It's crazy. And I'm so, honestly guys, when I got shadow banned, I'm going to tell you why I got shadow banned. I got shadow banned because I had jokingly said to one of my friends back in April that I was going to kidnap her. My friend, girls, you know when you're talking to your friend and you tell her, girl, I'm gonna kidnap you. Instagram canceled it and said, deleted the comment aggressively, immediately, instantly. I was like, you are inciting violence and going against community violence. I was like, boy, what? What? So it's just kind of been like a uphill battle in terms of that, but the fantastic thing, you know, the silver lining is that my followers have just still been sharing my videos. And that last video, myself and Static didn't think that it would have done so well. Static is the person that I work with in terms of, he manages my social media, and he also helps to curate like concepts for like content and so on. So you know, we have just been kind of down about it, like, shoot, you know, like, we're doing all this content, we're working so hard, and then we get shadow banned just because of this one little thing. This video is at 15 minutes already, and I'm not even gonna apologize because y'all are listening and enjoying what I'm saying. Y'all are getting my updates. So, so yeah, so we've just been kind of down about it because even though we're still hitting like good enough numbers, it's not like we're working so hard, because there are some goals that we wanted to hit out by like from like, when was it? From like April we wanted to hit them, but because we've been shadow banned, it's like Instagram is limiting how many persons we can show the videos to. So it's an uphill battle with social media, guys. And if you are a social media person, or if you've been trying to market anything via social media, you know how just annoying it can be sometimes. Sometimes when you think you're going with community guidelines, you're not, and then when you are, it's like and then Instagram changes their community, not their community guidelines, but their policies so often. Sometimes it's hard to keep up. But again, the silver lining is that my followers really have been going hard, you know, and like my subscribers on YouTube have really been sharing my videos, which is why sometimes I've also been sharing my stuff on YouTube. I find out on YouTube sometimes they don't get shared as often, and I really think that that's really not you guys, it's really me and not being as consistent on YouTube. To be honest with you, of the two platforms, YouTube and Instagram, because those are the two that I really focus on. I don't really focus on TikTok, to be honest with you. I really don't. I really don't. I used to, but I don't anymore. You know why? Because of this whole rumor that TikTok is going to be banned, I've just decided that, you know, it's so much work to curate content. Why am I going to spread, you know what I mean? So I just kind of stop. I don't even go on TikTok to watch TikTok. I just get immersed in YouTube shorts, to be honest with you, and sometimes Instagram shorts. But I'm cutting down on my social media time. Anyway, we've strayed so far away from the point, but comment below, let me know how you guys are doing. Let me know if there's any particular content that you want to see. I really do enjoy just talking to you guys like this. For persons who are brand new to my channel, I have like hundreds of dance videos and exercise videos, so you can go and check those out before you ask me to the new ones. I got a lot of stuff on here, so that's why, you know, of late I've just kind of started to talk to people, because persons like to hear me in terms of like, not just my accent. All right, I'm sorry guys, sorry. But also you guys like to hear what's going on in my life. I think I don't vlog enough about like a day in the life of Chris Corey. I think I'm going to try to do that more often. So for example, the other day I did like well, two major things happened. I am back to doing choreography, which I stopped for years because I was pursuing physiotherapy. And then I did a major choreography gig the other day where I coordinated 3 dancers, and that's going to be coming out soon. I have a few behind the scenes, but not many of them have me in them. And the second one is I did some work with one of Jamaica's more notable dancers, a male dancer. I'm very happy about that. And it's going to be a concept video or a visualizer for a very popular artist. I'm going to release that information soon, as soon as they release that. And then I'll tell you all about it, all the process that went into getting it done, and blah, blah, blah. So yeah, that's enough for my life update. I'm going to release this not today, Friday 28th, but tomorrow, Saturday, the 29th of June. I'm going to release it in the morning, so you guys can watch piece of it, watch the rest of it later, or just watch part of it and then continue about in a day. But yeah, big up yourselves. Comment below, let me know what you think about ChrisFit Online. Do you think it's a great venture? What do you think about the future of working out online? What do you think about the future of going on retreat with ChrisFit? If you are a person who is involved with ChrisFit, how has it been so far? Just be absolutely honest. As I said, I want us to grow organically, right? And if it's SHIT, say it's SHIT. Save somebody the money, right? I don't call a thing a thing, guys. I don't call a thing a thing. I love when people give honest reviews. I try to do frequent surveys to ask people how, you know, my classes are doing, but I like when it grows organically. So thank you all for showing up like you do all the time, even though sometimes I'm not here. Big up on yourselves. Love y'all. It's now 19 minutes and 30 seconds, and I do not care. Love you all. Bye.